Welcome back to our grand reopening here at Upholstery on Broadway. Feel good about all the work that we did at the shop, so come on in and take a look. So I want to talk a little bit about all the work that we've done. We've completely brand new floor, nice wooden floor. We've repainted the walls to nice eggshell white. We've sanitized all of our books. Sanitized everything in the shop from the ceiling down to the floor, and we're providing for our customers that come in, hand sanitizer and some towels and wipes and the like. So what does that entail for phase one for our particular business, and unique to us? So let's read them off to you. The first one is, our showroom has been renovated to ensure social distancing, which I talked about. We are hoping to be open for walk-ins during the next phase. We encourage right now singles and couples. The next thing is face coverings are encouraged. I mean, I, as a business owner, will be, until I'm told not to at some point, have my face covering on when people are in here. And we think that we know we're going to get through all this. So stay tuned for more exciting stuff here at Upholstery on Broadway.